All right. So 6 liter, it's a Chevy, but same concept. This is a broken stud or broken bolt per se in the exhaust manifold. So this is the rear cylinder, the last one, always the hardest one to get to. This is the passenger side, just for example. What I did here is this bolt was broke off flush with the exhaust manifold. And so when that happens, you got about enough room to get a nut on. So this nut actually would thread on the last 2 or 3 threads that are sticking out. So you overcome the mushroom end or whatever, the burr on the end, and you kind of work this nut on until it gets to the threads and then get it tight against the head. So once you get that far, you'll notice there's a little bit, maybe 1/16 of an inch or so, that's hanging out. So what I do is I get an air hammer with a blunt bit on the end, or blunt head, and I mushroom the end of that stud over top of that nut. You don't need to go too far, just enough to kind of flatten it and get it to mushroom over top of that nut. So once you do that, you get your socket. In this case, I'm going to have to use a swivel because of the angle. You get it on there, and you do this with just a ratchet. And you can see it comes out pretty easy. Actually, this one's easy enough where I can use my 1/4-inch impact driver and work it out. There you go. No welding, no heat, just your nut and your air hammer.